Science explains almost everything, from galaxies to germs. Yet there are corners of this planet that refuse to fit into logic. Lights that move with purpose. Rivers that burn without fire. Ice that bleeds. Tonight, we explore 7 strange phenomena that defy logic, challenge science, and remain unexplained. 1. The Hessdalen Lights, Norway's eternal glow. High in a quiet valley in Norway, the night sky glows with strange lights. Locals have seen them for decades. Glowing orbs that hover, zigzag, and dance across the darkness, sometimes drifting slowly like lanterns in fog. Other times, streaking across the sky faster than any aircraft known. They're real. Recorded on radar, caught on camera, studied for years. But never explained. Some say it's glowing plasma, electricity born from the rocks beneath the valley. Others believe it's the Earth itself releasing energy into the sky. And a few whisper of something else. Something watching. The Hessdalen Lights appear without warning, vanish without trace, and leave behind only wonder. Even in the age of satellites, the sky keeps its secrets. 2. The boiling river of the Amazon. Deep inside the Amazon rainforest lies a river that should not exist. A river that boils. Locals call it Shunayatim, boiled with the heat of the sun. Its waters reach nearly 90 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to kill in seconds. But there are no volcanoes nearby. No magma. No geothermal vents. Geologist Andres Russo found that the water's heat rises from deep within the earth. But no one knows how it stays hot for miles without cooling. The boiling river defies science. It burns through the jungle, endless and silent. Some call it sacred. Others, cursed. Science simply calls it impossible. 3. The Devil's Kettle, the vanishing waterfall. In Minnesota, a river splits in two. But only one half ever returns. At Devil's Kettle Falls, one stream flows normally. The other disappears into a deep hole in solid rock, and never comes back. Scientists dropped dye, trackers, even thousands of small balls. Nothing ever resurfaced. For years, geologists believed the water must vanish into a hidden cave system, or flow underground straight into Lake Superior. But scans found no tunnels large enough. Some now say it rejoins the river underground. But no one has ever proved it. A hole that swallows rivers, and refuses to reveal where they go. Nature keeps its silence. 4. The morning glory clouds. Across northern Australia, the sky performs one of nature's strangest tricks. Massive tube-shaped clouds, stretching for over 1,000 kilometers, roll across the horizon like waves in the air. They are called the morning glory. Smooth, silent, and perfectly shaped. They move at nearly 60 kilometers an hour. Pilots who glide along them describe the feeling as surfing the heavens. Scientists believe they form when sea breezes collide with inland winds, creating a wave of air that ripples across the sky. Moisture condenses on that wave, forming the rolling tube. But here's the mystery. This phenomenon happens almost nowhere else on Earth. Same winds, same humidity elsewhere, no cloud appears. It's as if the atmosphere itself decided, this one corner of the world deserves its secret show. 5. Out-of-place fossils, history's wrong clues. Science builds history layer by layer. Each fossil, each rock, another step in time. But sometimes, something appears where it should not be. In South Africa, miners discovered metallic spheres with perfect grooves, embedded in rock 3 billion years old. In Texas, a hammer fossilized in stone over 400 million years old. In Mexico, human-like footprints beside dinosaur tracks. Many of these were dismissed as hoaxes or coincidences. But some remain unexplained. If even one is real, history must be rewritten. Could advanced life have existed long before us? Or is nature capable of mimicking human design in impossible ways? 6. The singing dunes. In the deserts of the world, from Oman to Chile, the earth has a voice. When sand slides down certain dunes, a deep hum vibrates through the air. A sound that lasts up to 15 seconds, so loud it can be heard for miles. Ancient travelers said the dunes were haunted. That spirits whispered beneath the sand. Science calls it resonance. millions of sand grains vibrating together in perfect unison. Each grain a tiny instrument in nature's orchestra. But the mystery remains. Why do only some dunes sing? Others, with the same sand and slope, stay silent. Somewhere in their geometry lies a hidden harmony that only a few deserts can produce. 7. Bloodfalls of Antarctica. At the edge of Antarctica's Taylor Glacier, a waterfall flows red, a crimson river cutting through white ice. At first, scientists thought it was algae. But the truth was stranger. The water comes from a hidden lake sealed beneath the glacier for 2 million years. Rich in iron, it turns blood red when it meets oxygen. But inside that water are living bacteria, surviving without sunlight, oxygen, or warmth. Life, thriving in total isolation. These microbes may hold the secret to how life could exist on other worlds, beneath the frozen surface of Mars, or the icy moons of Jupiter. A waterfall that bleeds, and whispers of life beyond Earth.